Like I've fallen in love with crystals. ऐसा काफी टाइम से ऐसे लग रहा था ब्लॉक ही हो गया. I think this was also self love and I feel some kind of joy just staring at this. Liking the vibe of wearing this a lot. Hi guys, also it's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel and this is a crystal jewelry haul. Something I haven't done on the channel before, but in my attempt to do more videos that bring out all parts of me, especially parts of me that I'm very passionate about, I'm going to do more of these. So I have actually been into crystals for the past almost 1 year now. So I got introduced to it in 2021 and I think मैंने मेरा पहला क्रिस्टल खरीदा जून में 2021 में जब मैं पापा को मिलने गई थी पुणे. And तब से जब से I got introduced to it and I experienced some good positive changes in my life. I thought, and I've been using them for like months now. I thought now I can come and share it with you guys also because that's what I really like doing, right? I like doing these different experiments and coming and telling you whatever worked or whatever didn't work for me. So that's what this video is about. तो अगर तुम्हें मेरे crystals का collection देखना है and if you want to know more about this, stick around. और इस channel पे ऐसा और content देखना चाहते हो तो consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. And let's begin. एकदम briefly I want to talk about what healing crystals are. For those of you जिन्होंने इसके बारे में कभी सुना नहीं है, इस concept के बारे में, it's totally new to you. So healing crystals are also known as semi-precious gemstones. इसे हमारे ancestors ने सालों तक यूज किया है for different kinds of healing purposes. Even रेकी में crystals यूज होते हैं. Now why are they used? Because it's believed that all these crystals have like very healing properties or very good uplifting positive energies within them. If you're somebody who believes in energies, I do. I feel everything in the universe is energy. We are all made of it and it's all a transaction of energy that's happening every moment. So if you all believe in stuff like this it's ऐसा कहा जाता है, ऐसा बिलीव किया जाता है कि जो क्रिस्टल्स है उनको अगर तुम अपने लाइफ में यूज करना शुरू करते हो in many ways and forms, okay, you can wear it as jewelry, keep it in your home space, तो उस स्पेस का पूरा एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है. तो बेसिकली क्रिस्टल्स रखने से तुम्हारे अंदर की जो एनर्जी है वो प्यूरिफाई होती है, बैलेंस होती है, रीअलाइन होती है बिकॉज दे वर्क विद आवर बायो एनर्जेटिक systems. So that's what it is. Now I don't want to get too much into the depth of this and the science behind it and all of that, but let me know if you want me to do another video about which crystals can you pick as a beginner. So basically as a beginner तुम crystals कैसे use करना शुरू कर सकते हो उसके लिए वीडियो चाहिए तो let me know, I'll do another one. Comments में मुझे बता दो. But right now we want to see what all crystals I have and what areas do they work on. So I think I'm going to show these to you in the order of how I bought it. So because I was new and I was searching कि सबसे पहले मैं क्या लूँ, ऐसे इतना कुछ रूल नहीं होता, इतना स्ट्रेस करने वाली बात नहीं होती, but I'm just telling you what I did. I consulted the person who at the crystal shop and asked him what should I buy it for. So they generally ask you what you want to improve in in your life right now. And तब मेरे life का सबसे बड़ा concern था anxiety. Like I was going through pretty severe phases of anxiety and the episodes. So I told him I definitely, my first thing that I need is like a calm, peaceful mind. And the second thing, because मेरा पैसा काफी टाइम से ऐसे लग रहा था ब्लॉक ही हो गया, कहाँ से पता नहीं, like money had stopped coming into my life, so I wanted money, right? So 2 crystals he asked me to buy. The first one he said is you should go for a clear quartz. This is how a clear quartz looks like. Clear quartz cluster. So beautiful, right? Like I've fallen in love with crystals over these months. Like now I can just stare at them and be like, yeah, I do those things. Anyway, so clear quartz he suggested I should buy for my anxiety because ये जो है ये तुम्हें बड़े ही ऐसे calming, blissful, peaceful वाले vibrations देता है. So ये basically negative vibrations जो है वो absorb कर लेता है and it brings harmony to the person, to the space that it is in, and it is also called the master healer. So whatever crystals दूसरे crystals के साथ तुम इसे अगर रखते हो तो उनके जो effects है वो ये amplify करता है. That's what it's known for. So I used to sit with this and the other stone that I have and I used to meditate. Meditation के time में पास में रखती थी because it amplifies your energies, right? So when you're feeling peaceful, it will help you access that peace and bliss even better. So this was my first. The first was this, and the other one which I bought is this. Now I don't know इसका shine क्यों चला गया जब मैंने, I think it's Mumbai humidity. This is called the rough iron pyrite cluster. When I bought it, it used to sparkle so beautifully. I can't tell you. I could see from the back क्योंकि ये पीछे से ऐसे sparkle करता. अब ये ऐसे रखा था ना तो यहाँ से पूरा black हो गया. So beautiful. This is also called fool's gold, I think, because it kind of looks like gold, and this is the stone of abundance. So when I told the person that I was buying it from that I kind of like money and all has like literally stopped coming in my life since I started YouTube. And then he asked me to buy this one. This is a stone of abundance and prosperity basically. और इनको यूज करने का एक तरीका होता है. You're like supposed to set intentions when you buy these, and then you're supposed to cleanse it every like particular period. I cleanse it every 7 days, so you can decide it for yourself. So this is the second stone that I bought, and the third one that I bought then actually ये मैंने एक लॉकेट की. This was one of those, yeah, what do, इसके अराउंड ना एक वो था, क्या कहते हैं, तार था, और इसको मैं लॉकेट की तरह पहनती थी. दिस इज अ रोज क्वार्ट्ज. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल टू वेयर एज अ लॉकेट ऑल्सो, बट मैंने वो तार निकाल दिया. राइट नाउ आई कीप इट इन दिस क्रिस्टल वाला प्लेट जो मेरे विजन बोर्ड के पास होता है. सो रोज क्वार्ट्ज जो है promotes self love. It's a stone that attracts love in your life. If you want to attract love, people generally wear rose quartz. Heart shaped के pendants आते हैं इसके. And it is also very very healing stone. It basically heals your heart by opening your heart chakra. So it's a stone for your heart chakra. इसकी रोज क्वार्ट्ज की ज्वेलरी तो सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर. अगर तुम क्रिस्टल ज्वेलरी चाहते हो तो सबसे पहले तुम्हें रोज क्वार्ट्ज के पेंडेंट्स वगैरह दिखेंगे. So yeah, I want to start wearing it as a pendant again. Maybe I'll try to look for one of those wires and put it, but it's a little heavy to be honest for a pendant. ये stone, it used to make me feel like this little. So मैंने इसको एक प्लेट में रखना शुरू किया. So that's what rose quartz is for. Then this year I bought this stunning. उसको I feel some kind of joy just staring at this amethyst cluster. It's so beautiful. How can a crystal look this beautiful, dude? Okay, this is a little expensive also, by the way. बाकी सारे थोड़े सस्ते थे. So amethyst cluster. Amethyst is again one of the very popular crystals. अगर तुम crystals के बारे में पढ़ोगे, top like 5-6 में लोग generally rose quartz, clear quartz, citrine, amethyst इस type के लेते हैं. So this helps your third eye. So by the way, all these crystals work on particular chakras of your body. Agar if you are aware of the 7 chakras in your body, like there is the Anahata and Sahasrara, and I hope I'm pronouncing them right, and then the heart chakra and throat chakra and third eye. This one helps like works on your third eye chakra. This basically enhances your intuition. And by the way, all these crystals have a lot of physical and health benefits also. So amethyst is known to बैलेंस योर हॉर्मोन्स. बहुत सारे क्रिस्टल्स के बहुत सारे फिजिकल और हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी होते हैं, जिनके बारे में अभी मैंने इतना डीप पे नहीं पढ़ा है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू टेल यू दैट हियर. तो दोस आर द क्लस्टर्स जो मेरे सामने के रूम में मेरे विजन बोर्ड के वहां पर पड़े रहते हैं. सो दैट्स बिकम लाइक माई लिटिल सेक्रेड स्पेस, जहां पर मेरे कैंडल्स, क्रिस्टल्स, विजन बोर्ड, दैट्स माई मैनिफेस्टेशन कॉर्नर. दैट्स व्हाट आई कॉल इट, एंड आई लव द एनर्जी ऑफ दैट कॉर्नर. Can't go to a new house and amplify and deck it up more. Now coming to the jewelry, crystal jewelry मैंने पिछले साल से खरीदी थोड़ी एंड अभी थोड़ा सा कलेक्शन सा हो गया है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. दिस इज समथिंग दैट माई डैड बॉट मी. बॉम्बे की ह्यूमिडिटी में सिल्वर चेन थोड़ा सा क्या कहते हैं ऑक्सीडाइज हो गया, ब्लैक हो गया है, बट जब ये नया आया था दिस यूज्ड टू शाइन. एंड हाउ दिस इज अ 7 चक्रा बैलेंसिंग नेकलेस. ओके, इसमें अलग अलग स्टोन्स है, like you can see, which work on different chakras like I told you. So there's a citrine, there is amethyst. I think this is tiger's eye, I'm not sure. एक black color का crystal होता है to protect yourself from like nazar or negative energy, something like that. 7 chakra balancing वो भी आते हैं, bracelets भी आते हैं if you don't want to wear like such a big chain or something. Then this, which I've never worn, is a Amazonite bracelet. I am not a bracelet person. That's what I told my dad when he got this. In fact, he got me even rose quartz bracelet. मैंने वो वापस कर दिया. I was like, I'm not a bracelet person. मुझे necklace दो या ring दे दो या earrings दे दो. But Amazonite is known to work on your throat chakra. So see, you know that chakras have colors, right? So from red to orange to yellow to green. Heart is green and your throat chakra is blue, and this is purple, and this crown I'm forgetting. So mostly जहाँ तक मैंने देखा हुआ है, the color of the crystal जो चक्रा का कलर होता है उस पे वर्क होता है मोस्टली. एक आध you'll find here and so Amazonite helps you like speak up for yourself, improves your communication. If you're somebody who can't stand up for yourself or speak confidently, I think they recommend you wear this. One of the many benefits of Amazonite that I know, and I think in business and new business opportunities and or new work opportunities is also something that it brings. The last 2 things actually before I show you the rings, this locket also, again locket मतलब ये chain मेरे पास पहले से थी. I got this pendant. So this is a rough cut amethyst. Again, amethyst works for your intuition. third eye, and this I forgot what it is ऊपर, but again this is for like speaking up, communication, improving communication. You'd be surprised, ऐसे बाहर से देख के लगता होगा that I'm great at communication, but in life मेरी जो सबसे ज़्यादा problem causing आदत है वो भी मेरा communication ही है. It might have to do with the way I communicate, but अभी वो इतने सालों से यार चेंज करने में टाइम लगता है. खैर, एनीवे, एंड देन आई गॉट दीज 2 रिंग्स. ये मैंने अभी रिसेंटली इस साल ही पुणे विजिट करी थी तभी लिया. तो ये सारा मेरा क्रिस्टल स्टफ, आई गो टू दिस वन शॉप इन पुणे एंड बाय इट. नाउ दिस रिंग इज, यू माइट हैव सीन मी वेयरिंग दिस ऑफन ऑफ लेट. दिस इज टूरमैलीन, TOURMALINE. It's red tourmaline, green tourmaline. Green is for your heart chakra again, and red is also love. I think this was also self-love and attracting love, and I'm not wearing it to attract love, okay? I'm only wearing it for self-love. If you don't want to wear it for these purposes, crystal jewelry is just a nice feel-good jewelry. So I'm inclining more towards crystal. तुम लोग देख रहे हो मैं जो पहले इतना oxidized silver jewelry पहनती थी वो इतना कम कर दिया because I'm suddenly like liking the vibe of wearing this a lot more. And then I got myself an amethyst ring. Now I'm not too happy with this ring. ये है बहुत सुंदर, there's no doubt. बट मुझे ना लाइक ऐसे रफली कट जो है ना स्टोन्स, उनमें ज़्यादा मजा आता है. तो मैंने पता नहीं ये क्यों ले लिया. दिस व्हाट आई डू, दिस इज प्रेशर बाय, दिस मस्ट हैव बीन. आई बॉट द फर्स्ट एवर फेस रोलर ऑफ माई लाइफ. अभी इतने टाइम से मेरे फेस पे काफ़ी एक्ने रहा है, तो आई हैव बीन very careful, and as in I haven't done much to my face. In fact, I didn't even do facials for the longest time because मेरे एक्ने थे तो I wasn't allowed to. But I thought अभी थोड़ा सा क्लियर हो रहा है, so I should buy these things, invest in this. So I got a rose quartz face roller जिससे you can in the night do a nice little pamper sesh face massage. This is known to promote blood circulation. It promotes lymphatic drainage, जिसका एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं तुम्हें बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकती. गूगल कर लो इसका क्या मतलब है. बेसिकली तुम्हारी स्किन के अंदर के टॉक्सिन्स जो ये फ्लश आउट करता है, एंड इसीलिए तुम्हारी स्किन का क्वालिटी एंड इवन टोन इम्प्रूव करता है. सो आई हैव जस्ट यूज्ड इट वंस टिल नाउ बिकॉज जब जब मेरा एक्ने थोड़ा ज़्यादा फ्लेयर्ड अप होता है, आई डोंट लाइक डूइंग अ लॉट, सो आई हैव यूज्ड इट वंस. बट या मे बी once or twice a week I'm going to keep using this. So this, and the last thing is selenite. Now, so this is a selenite stick, okay, and this is a selenite bowl. Now selenite is also a crystal in itself. मैंने इसका stick form इसीलिए खरीदा because selenite apart from having its own properties is it's a self cleansing crystal by the way. बाकी सब crystals को एक cleanse करने का तरीका होता है. This is self cleansing and this also cleanses and charges other crystals. So तुम्हारे घर के जो crystals है उस plate में अगर तुम ये sticks रख दो तो your crystals get cleansed. And this bowl is also for keeping all my crystal jewelry, so it keeps sucking the negative energy out and filling it up with all the positive energy. That's what this does. Now, from where did I buy all these things? I buy all of this from this shop called Good Luck Gemstones in Koregaon Park in Pune. It's a wholesale shop. That's why the prices are insanely low. अभी एक crystal का मुझे याद नहीं है, so I am not going to tell you the prices on this video. Insanely low. I'll give you an idea. I think ये जो क्रिस्टल है मैंने वहाँ से 300-ish में लिया होगा. आई थिंक, आई एम नॉट श्योर. बट ये अगर तुम बाहर जाओ तो सेम क्रिस्टल तुम्हें इस साइज का 700-800 इवन 1000 में इजीली मिलेगा. सेम फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ अ क्रिस्टल. लाइक वहाँ पर बिकॉज इट वॉज होलसेल, आई थिंक दीज आर अवेलेबल फॉर 300-ish. ऑनलाइन दूसरे स्टोर्स में, मैंने इंस्टाग्राम के स्टोर्स में चेक किया था, दिस वॉज 1200-ish. सो उतना कम है बिकॉज इट्स अ होलसेल स्टोर. So all this jewelry and all also I got from there at a very low price. But this one was, like I said, a little expensive. So this cost me 2,000 at a wholesale store. But it's also not from India. It's like from somewhere else that I'm not remembering right now. But it's a very, very good quality amethyst. But yeah, that was it for this crystal jewelry haul on this channel. One of its kind. पहला एकदम वीडियो ऐसा मैंने बनाया. If you liked it, if you resonated with this, please let me know comments में नीचे. तुम्हारे feedback से मुझे पता चलता है तुम्हें content कैसा लग रहा है. If you thought this video would be helpful to any of your friends, उनके साथ share करना मत भूलो. इस channel पर नए हो, ऐसा और content future में देखना चाहते हो, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And I'm done. I'll see you guys real soon right here. You take care. Bye bye.